Most quarries use static or dynamic weighing systems to manage the quality of the products they produce and to measure the quantity of material or finished products they deliver to their customers. Precia Molen, as a long-established manufacturer of weighbridges, has utilized its wealth of knowledge of the aggregates industry to constantly develop and expand its range of weighing products to include integrating belt scales, onboard weighing systems, volumetric hatches, weighing conveyors and associated management, and control software programs. Vehicles are no longer permitted to leave site if they are overloaded. Loading by predetermined quantities optimizes vehicle movements and eliminates the need to remove any excess product detected on the exit weighbridge. The target deviation is less than 500 kilograms per vehicle. Weighing can be carried out by an FX belt scale installed on an existing conveyor or by a bulldozer onboard weighing system installed on a front-end loading shovel. Today, Precia Molen can meet your requirements for cost reduction by providing your loading stations with weighing conveyors approved for trade use. As the Precia Molen BT weighing conveyor is approved for trade use, it enables vehicles to be loaded with a predetermined net weight at the loading station, eliminating the need for a further visit to the weighbridge. The BT solution from Precia Molen gives an accuracy of plus or minus 20 kilograms, improves traffic flow, and increases the life of the weighbridge. Providing certain meteorological conditions are met, existing conveyors can be fitted with a TAB multi-idler scale type, delivering an accuracy of plus or minus 50 to 100 kilograms and still approved for trade use. These weighing systems fulfill the needs of your deliveries, whether by road, barge, sea, or rail. On arrival at site, the vehicle goes to the entry weighbridge to determine its tear weight. The driver is identified at the weighing terminal by means of a contact-free badge. The terminal transmits the badge number and the tear weight to the management software, which associates it with the product to be loaded or the blend to be produced. The maximum net weight to be loaded is then calculated from the maximum gross vehicle weight, and permission to load is confirmed. The driver then proceeds to the loading point indicated by the terminal display. When in position, the driver presents the badge to the loading terminal, which starts the loading cycle. The BT weighing conveyor or TAB belt scale delivers the predetermined quantity. A large weight display indicates to the driver in real time the actual weight of the product being loaded. An emergency stop cable accessible from the vehicle is provided to halt the operation if necessary. Loading stops automatically, and local or remote printing of the weight ticket is initiated by the application program. A green light indicates to the driver that the weight has been correctly recorded and that the vehicle can leave the loading station and exit the site. For aggregate blends, a software application communicates with the various tunnel and silo conveyors to control and deliver the required blend. Depending on the nature of the product, the conveyor will be fed by a volumetric hatch type, TD, or a weighed belt type, XK. Alternatively, to achieve the particle size required by the grading envelope, the weighed conveyor will be fed by volumetric hatch, XKV, or weighed belt type, XKP. If required, Due to the humidity of the product, a feed hatch can be combined with a weighed belt to prevent wasteful runoff.